Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to dissolve and close an LLC in the state of Maryland using bizee. Bizee is one of the best entity formation service right now on the internet. You can also easily dissolve any business entity like LLC, C Corp, S Corp, or non-profit through them without any hassle. After clicking the link in the description below, you will land on this page. After arriving on their website, hover your mouse icon on the service section and then click on the Dissolve Your Company button. On the next page, you will see a bunch of information about dissolving your business in the proper way. After scrolling down a little, you will find the Dissolution section. Here, you can select your desired entity type. Since I will be dissolving an LLC, I will select that option from the drop-down menu. And also I will select Maryland as my entity state for dissolution. Once you are done selecting everything, click on the Order Now button. In the next section, bizee will ask you to provide all the correct information so that they can file the Articles of Dissolution on your behalf. In the first step, it's asking you to provide your real contact information. For the sake of creating this video, I will just provide a piece of random contact information, but remember, you should always use your own verified information when completing this form. In the next step, select your business entity type and the state of formation again. After that, bizee will ask you to provide the name of your company and also the company's designator. Always remember to provide your company's exact name in this section without any spelling mistakes. This name should match with your LLC's certificate name, which is saved in the Secretary of State's database. Otherwise, your dissolution appeal will be rejected. In the last step, provide your company's address. For the sake of creating this video, I will just provide a random address. If you have filed your LLC with bizee and have purchased their professional business address and virtual mail service, then you can also provide the address that bizee assigned to you. If not, then just use the address you used at the time of filing your LLC. After checking if you have provided all the information correctly, just click on the Next button. On the next page, bizee will show you your total due amount and will ask for your credit or debit card information. Once you are done with the payment, they will start processing your order and your LLC will be dissolved within 4 to 7 days. So for just $200 in total, you can dissolve or close your own LLC today in the state of Maryland. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section and I will try to answer them as well as possible. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.